going to remove this branch from here. It's actually a root that I hung up. I'm going to take it off this spot, and I'm going to hang up some tillandsia around it and move it to another spot. It's got some nice hooks on it, so it's a very lovely root. That's why I kept it as a sculptural piece. So here's the root. I brought it inside, and I had this cable tie already hooked to it, and I can just, once I'm done, I can just hook it and hook it onto the fence. So you can see how pretty this root is. That's why I kept it. A plant had died, and when I uprooted it, I saw all this detail in the root, and I just cut off the tree and kept the root upside down to use it. So now all this tillandsia, the old man's beard, I pulled this out from the front yard when I was doing it up. So I need to find a place for it, and I thought, oh, let me reuse this root because it's had quite a long lifespan. It's lying there and it needed a refresh. So I'm just going to hook it on all the curves that it has. And this tillandsia only needs water. It's an air plant. You can hang it up anywhere and it just will grow. And it's just perfect to give that kind of wispy look to any area, because this blows in the wind and it's so lovely to hang up. Wrong side. Right, so there's my they sort of get wound around things the longer they stay on an object, and wood is perfectly fine for them. You can put it on plastic if you have any plastic or a wooden basket. I've got some hooked on a wooden basket as well, upside down, so it looks like a chandelier. I'm just looking for long pieces. You can cut it anywhere as well. They just grow, and just weave it through there. Look, it's looking so cute already. I have quite a bit here, so I'll do another one. I'm gonna do another project to use up the rest of this tillandsia, because they grow so well just hanging about. And I'm gonna put it out by the laundry. Just wind this one out a little. There it looks. There you go. Oh, hang it. This one's a bit long. And if you want to cut it, you just break it off, and that's it. That's done. I can find another long piece. I want to hang it this end here. Or maybe I'll twist it inside. Wow. Look how good that looks. So I'm going to hook it up and show you how it looks hung up. I'll just hook it onto the door for now. Look, that's how it will be. I'll hang it on the fence, and that's gonna look so cute. So if you get a chance to buy this at the nursery, the local nursery has it. It's just so lovely. And always remember to look at the roots of your plants, because the roots sometimes have such a beautiful sculptural effect. There you go. And there it is, hanging on the fence.